Hi there and welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to the best lifting solution. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to easily transfer shingles from one pallet to the next. So we have teamed up with Barnes & Associates and PIAB to develop this lifting solution to easily pick and place shingles or shingle bundles. I'll go ahead and show you how this works. We'll turn the power on. And bring the tool over to place. The vacuum jib easily allows you to manipulate the tool into place. And bring the vacuum tool down on the shingle. Simply pull up on the lever. And it's as easy as that to lift up to 150-pound shingle bundles. Now we do have 360 degrees here, along with 360 degrees at the tube and each point of the jib. To release, simply let go of the lever, push down to release vacuum, break the seal, and you can move on to the next bundle. Now we do have replacement seals on the cups. These simply just have screws holding them in place. You can adjust the level height of the tool by simply turning the knob one way or the other. You also have an adjustment on the handle. You can raise the handle height and lower the handle height with this control here. Now this is on a portable base, so you can move the system around and bring the tool over to the tool holder, place that into place. Now you can move of course, unplug the system. Now you can move it over to your next location. I thank you for watching, and remember, if you need a lifting tool and don't buy it, you'll ultimately pay for it and not have it. Start the process by going to aimcomfg.com and click the quote button in the upper right corner.